Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, now in this video we'll see that how to import the data from a text document. You may see that in my desktop I have a text document which is known as my text, which is having the text called as ABCD. So I would like to import not only this, it doesn't matter whether we have a long or short data, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to close. I would like to import the data from text file to Excel. Just close it, and in the MS Excel application, wherever you want to just go to data tab. In the data tab, click on get the data from text. So when you click on text, system gives a chance to browse the data from where you would like to access. I would like to access the data from my desktop, which is known as the file name as my.txt, and click on import. So when you click on import, automatically system will access the data. So again click on load. So now it is going to access the data. Yes, system has taken the data which is known as ABCD, right? So in the future, if you once change it ABCD in PQRS and close, save. Now in that file the data was updated, but now in Excel the data has not been updated. If you want to update the data, again you need to click on date, again click on refresh. So now the second cell is added, but it is difficult every time. We cannot click, we cannot keep clicking on refresh. So I would like to just make it automatically. When the data is keep changing in that text file, automatically that should keep updating in my Excel file as well. So for that, go to refresh and go to connection properties. In the connection properties, I would like to refresh for every 1 minute and then click on OK. Right now it is having ABCD PQRS, right? So here what I'll do, I'll just open the, now the time is 11:38. So I'm going to add next as 1 2 3 4 and close and save. Now the time is 11:38. Now the time is 11:38, 25 seconds. I'll open the MS Excel. When the time goes to 11:38, so when the time goes to 11:39, 30 seconds like that, automatically system will update the data here. System also show a update message here, and at the same time system will update the things here automatically. You may wait 1 minute. Actually we need to wait for 1 minute. So we'll just see that how the data will get updated. (11:39). Now the data has been updated automatically. 1 2 3 4 is automatically updated here. So this is how we import the data from external sites, and also we'll just keep a connection automatically, right? So this is how we import the data from external text files. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.